When you close your eyes and see the person that you want to be, what does that look like? If you've ever tried to quit doing something, a behavior, a substance, a diet, eating better foods, then you know as well as I do that it's not as easy as it sounds. But then again, when you think about it, it really is easier than we make it. What the heck do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is that when we make a decision to stop doing something, we have to perform the actions that are in alignment with that desire that we want to happen. What do I mean? Well, if you want to lose weight, you're going to want to figure out what you're going to eat in place of the stuff that you've been eating that isn't working for you. You're going to try to eat the same things, but you're just going to try to eat less. We're going to try to eat smaller portions, this and that. You're going to try to stop doing a drug or something. You're going to stop doing it. You have to make the decision and follow it up with actions that are in alignment with that decision. So going on cheat days or to continue using these substances in the first place is against your desire. Being impeccable with your word, which means say what you mean and mean what you say. That's what we have to do. We have to just be impeccable with our word. It's so simple, but yet we make it so hard. Whenever you have a desire or a craving to do the thing that you want to stay away from, don't do it. Remember, I'm not that person anymore. What does a healthy person do? Write it down. What does a healthy person look like in your opinion? In your mind, when you close your eyes and see the person that you want to be, what does that look like? And what would a person that looks like that or is like that have to do to be like that? And then go from there. It really is simpler than we make it out to be. I have cut back my kratom use. I have shied away from the extracts again. But yet it keeps coming and going. On some days I do use more than others. And those days that I use it, it's when I don't get good sleep. So with that being said, if I make sure that I get good rest and do what I want to do, follow those actions, which is get good rest, then I won't have the nerve to want to use the next day as much. I'll think, do I need this right now? No. How is this going to impact my day? How is this going to make me feel since I don't want to do this anymore, but yet I allowed myself to do? Does it make me feel like a failure? Think about this. It's just some food for thought.